welcome to my channel Geet Manchanda Food Villa. Today I am going to make healthy version of pav bhaji. For that, half cauliflower, 1 cup of peas, 2 carrots, 1 whole broccoli, 2 kumras, 2 onions and 2 potatoes. So I'm going to peel them up and cut them into the pieces. Our veggies are now ready to cook. You can take any vegetables, whatever you like. I don't have capsicum. Basically I use capsicum in it also. I'm going to wash them now, and after that I will put them into the pressure cooker. As you can see, I washed all the vegetables I had and I put them into the pressure cooker. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt into it, and because the vegetables gonna lose their own water into it, so there is no need to put water. I took around 5 to 6 whistles to cook my vegetables. Now we will wait its steam to get off. Till then we will start preparing our tadka stuff. So for tadka we need about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm not using butter into it because I am making the healthy version of pav bhaji here. So I'm not gonna use butter in it, but it's your choice if you wanna use butter. Now I'm going to add a pinch of asafoetida, which helps for our digestion, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. After that I'm going to put green chilies, which I took around 3 chilies, and 2 chopped onions, and keep the flame low because we are using carrots and kumra in it, so they have their own sweetness. To cut that sweetness, I am taking 3 chilies. You can put chilies according to your taste as well. At the same time, I am going to put 2 teaspoons of salt into it. Just remind that we put 1 teaspoon of salt into the vegetables also, so put salt according to that. We will wait until they get golden brown. Actually pav bhaji is made up of a lot of butter, but I am using olive oil into it. I'm not gonna use butter into it, but you can use butter into the pav or whatever bread you are going to use. Let's see the boiled vegetables now. Here our onions are also cooking. They are also nearly done. Now we will mash them with the help of vegetable masher. Going to mash them now. I'm going to add a little bit of boiled water into it, and again I'll mash it. Our onion is cooked now. At this stage I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of tomato puree, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. At the same time I'm going to put pav bhaji masala in it, which is about 3 tablespoons, and mix them well. I will add little bit of water into it to cook the masala. Now I am going to add these boiled vegetables into the masala. Now we will stir it up continuously. It smells so nice already. After 3 minutes, let's see. Wow, it's looking so nice. Our bhaji is ready.